Hello everyone. So this is the first question of the test paper. Question is, find the number of solutions in the given expression 2 log x minus 3 to the base 3 plus log x minus 4 whole square to the base 3 is equal to 0. जो log के आगे वैल्यू होती है उसको नंबर की पावर में भेज सकते हैं, तो मैं इसको लिख दूंगा log base 3 x minus 2 whole square plus log base 3 x minus 4 whole square is equal to 0. log की सम वाली प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? log m plus log n is equal to log a m into n. ये आइडेंटिटी अपने को पता है, ये आइडेंटिटी लगा देंगे. log 3 x minus 2 whole square x minus 4 whole square is equal to 0. log हटा देंगे, 3 उधर ले जाएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 3 की पावर 0. तो अपने पास बन गया x minus 2 x minus 4 whole square is equal to 1. यहाँ से दो केस बना लेते हैं कि x minus 2 x minus 4 is equal to 1 और x minus 2 x minus 4 is equal to minus 1. इसको सॉल्व करते हैं तो ये है x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 1. x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0. इस इक्वेशन को क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला यूज़ करके सॉल्व कर देते हैं. तो यहाँ से अपने पास आ जाएगा x इज इक्वल टू 3 प्लस रूट 2 और 3 माइनस रूट 2. इस वाली इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं तो ये लिखा है x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 8 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो यहाँ से x इज इक्वल टू 3 आ गई. अपने पास x की 3 वैल्यूज़ आ गई. अब क्वेश्चन में एक बार इसको पुट करके चेक कर लेते हैं कि वैलिड है नहीं है लॉग. तो सबसे पहले 3 प्लस रूट 2, 3 प्लस रूट 2 4 से बड़ी वैल्यू, 4 से बड़ी वैल्यू यानी दोनों में वैलिड है. 3 माइनस रूट 2, 3 माइनस रूट 2 2 से छोटी वैल्यू, 2 से छोटी वैल्यू ये फर्स्ट वाले लॉग में नहीं एग्जिस्ट कर पाएगी, इसलिए ये हो गई रिजेक्ट. x इज इक्वल टू 3, फर्स्ट वाले लॉग में 3 वैलिड है, सेकेंड वाले में 3 वैलिड है क्योंकि x माइनस 4 का होल स्क्वायर है. तो माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर 1 हो जाएगा, तो ये वैलिड. सो अपने पास टोटल x के 2 सोल्यूशन आ गए. 2 सोल्यूशंस पॉसिबल. सो अब ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं. ऑप्शन में अपने को सी ऑप्शन दे रखा है 2, सो सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन log 1 minus 1 by 2 to base 10 plus log 1 minus 1 by 3 to base 10 plus log 1 minus 1 by 4 base 10 plus dot 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 plus log 1 minus 1 by 100 base 10. Very simple. So question is log base 10, number is 1 minus 1 by 2, so it will be equal to 1 by 2. Second, log base 10, number is 1 minus 1 by 3. LCM लिया तो ये हो जाएगा 2 by 3. इसी तरह log base 10 ये हो जाएगा 3 by 4. लास्ट टर्म जो है अपनी वो हो जाएगी log base 10 99 by 100. अभी अपन ने पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन में फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया था. फॉर्मूला था log m log n, ये होता है log mn के बराबर. तो यहाँ पे भी अप्लाई करते हैं ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा log base 10 अंदर आ जाएगा 1 by 2 2 by 3 3 by 4 ये कहाँ तक चलेगी सीरीज, 99/100 तक। इसमें देखें तो ये पैटर्न कट रहा है, कैंसिल आउट हो रहे हैं टर्म्स, ये कैंसिल इससे, ये कैंसिल इससे, इसका भी कुछ यहाँ कैंसिल होएगा और 99 भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा। तो अपना फाइनल रिमेनिंग क्या बचा, log base 10 और नंबर इज 1/100। इसको अपन लिख सकते हैं log base 10 10 to the power -2 which is equal to -2. So this is the answer. Very simple question. Let's see the option -2. D is the correct option. Okay, now next question number 3. Question is, find the number of solutions in the following expression: log x square minus 1 to base 4 minus log x minus 1 whole square base 4 is equal to log under root 4 minus x whole square base 4. Let us see the LHS side first. It is of type log m minus log n, so we can write it as log base 4 x square minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square is equal to RHS log 4 under root 4 minus x whole square. Now both the sides have log base 4, so we can remove it. It is x square minus 1. It can be written as x minus 1 x plus 1. In denominator it is x minus 1 whole square is equal to under root of 4 minus x whole square. LHS becomes x plus 1 upon x minus 1 and RHS becomes under root of square. We already know that under root of x square is equal to mod x. So this will become mod of 4 minus x. Now it will be in two cases, when mod opens with positive sign, when mod opens with negative sign. So x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 4 minus x, or x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to x minus 4. So this is x plus 1 is equal to minus x square plus 5x minus 4. It is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here in this equation we have d value less than 0, so no solution from this part, no solution. In this part we have x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 5x plus 4, x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 6 plus minus 2 root 6 by 2, which is equal to 3 plus minus root 6. Now x is equal to 3 plus root 6 or 3 minus root 6. In log question, always check the answer by putting in the given question. We put 3 plus root 6 in the question. 3 plus root 6 is value greater than 5. So in this question, if we put x greater than 5, accepted, accepted, accepted. So this is accepted. 3 minus root 6, value less than 1, value less than 1. If we check, it is rejected in the first log. So this will not be a answer, rejected. So only solution is x is equal to 3 plus root 6. We have to find number of solutions. So option A is 1, so this is the correct answer. Okay, question number 4. Question is, let log n base 3 is equal to alpha 1 plus beta 1, log n base 5 is equal to alpha 2 plus beta 2, log n base 7 is equal to alpha 3 plus beta 3, where alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 belongs to integer and beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 belongs to 0 to 1. Find the difference of largest and smallest integral value of n if alpha 1 is 5, alpha 2 is 3, alpha 3 is 2. So log base 3 n is equal to alpha 1 plus beta 1. That means 5 plus closed 0 to 1 open, that is closed 5 to 6 open. From this we can say that n belongs to closed 3 to power 5 to 3 to power 6 open. N belongs to closed 3 to power 5 is 243 to 729. Second, log 5 n is equal to alpha 2 plus beta 2. This belongs to open closed 3 to open 4. From here we can say that n belongs to closed 5 to power 3, 5 to power 4 open, that is n belongs to 125 to 625 open. Let's say this was equation 1, this is equation 2, and now third one, log base 7 n is equal to alpha 3 plus beta 3. Value of alpha 3 is 2, so this belongs to closed 2 to open 3. From here n will be belong to closed 7 square to open 7 cube, that is n belongs to 49 to 7 cube is 343 open. Equation number 3. Now we have to find the difference of largest and smallest value of n. So first of all, n should be intersection of all these. So equation 1 intersection equation 2 intersection equation 3. From here we get n is equal to closed 243 to open 343, that is n can be 243, 244, 342. So the difference between largest and smallest is 342 minus 243 is equal to 99 answer. Now check the option. Option C is the correct option. Question number 5. Question is, find the number of values of x in the given equation. Log 4x square plus 12x plus 9 base 3x plus 7 plus log 6x square plus 23x plus 21 base 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. So this is log 3x plus 7 base 4x square plus 12x plus 9. This can be written as 2x plus 3 whole square plus log 2x plus 3 6x square plus 23x plus 21. This can be written as 2x plus 3 3x plus 7 is equal to 4. So this is 2 times log 3x plus 7 number 2x plus 3 plus log m n can be written as log m plus n. So break it in two parts. First part will be log 2x plus 3 base 2x plus 3, so it will be 1. Second part will be log 3x plus 7 is equal to 4. Now put log 2x plus 3 log 2x plus 3 base 3x plus 7 is equal to t. So our equation becomes 2t plus 1 plus 1 by t is equal to 4. This is 2t square minus 3t plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here t is either equal to half or t is equal to 1. We have taken t as log 3x plus 7 2x plus 3 is equal to half. Second, log 3x plus 7 2x plus 3 is equal to 1. On solving this will become 2x plus 3 is under root of 3x plus 7, which on squaring both sides we get 4x square plus 9 plus 12x is equal to 3x plus 7. 4x square plus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. 4x plus 1 and other factor will be x plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here we get x is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 2. This will give 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 7. X is equal to minus 4. Now check the values. Is it valid in the question or not? Log is defined or not? First, x is equal to minus 4. If we put minus 4 in the equation, we get first is valid, but base of log is not defined. So this is rejected. Minus 2. If we put minus 2 in the base 2x plus 3, it will become minus 1. Base cannot be negative, so this is also rejected. Minus 2 is rejected. Minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4, both the bases are defined at minus 1 by 4. First number is defined, second number is again defined at minus 1 by 4. So this is the only answer. X is equal to minus 1 by 4. So we have only one solution. B option is the correct. Question number 6. Which of the following is greatest? 10 1, 10 4, 10 7, 10 10. 10 of theta can be written as 10 of theta minus n pi, where n belongs to integer. 10 4 can be written as 10 4 minus pi. 10 7 can be written as 10 of 7 minus 2 pi. 10 of 10 can be written as 10 minus 3 pi. Also, 1 is greater than 4 minus pi, which is greater than 7 minus 2 pi, which is greater than 10 minus 3 pi, which is greater than 0. By observation, 10 is an increasing function, so 10 of 1 will be greater than 10 of 4 minus 5. 10 of 4 minus 5 is 10 4. 10 of 7 minus 2 pi is 10 7. 10 of 10 minus 3 pi is 10 of 10. And 10 of 0 is 0. So from here we can say that 10 1 is greatest. Option A is the correct option. Okay, now next question. Question number 7. Find the value of sine square 5 plus sine square 10 plus sine square 15 plus dot 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 sine square 19. So write like this. Sine square 5 plus sine square 85, sine square 10 plus sine square 80 plus dot 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 sine square 40 plus sine square 50 plus sine square 45 and sine square 90. These two terms were left. Now club them like this. This with this, this with this, this with this one. We know that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So if theta is 85, if theta is 5, so we can write this. It will become sine square 5, and sine square 85 can be written as cos square 5. Similarly, sine square 10, sine square 80 can be written as cos square 80. Sine square 40, sine square 50 can be written as cos square 40. Sine 45 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. This will become sine square plus cos square 1. Sine square plus cos square again 1. How many times? 5 to 40, yani 8 times. 8 times plus half plus 1. So this is 9 plus half. 19 by 2 is the answer. 9 plus half, 19 by 2. Option B is the correct option. Okay, now question number 8. Find the cosine of integral angle of the regular dodecagon. Dodecagon. Decagon is 10 and dodecagon is 12. So sides is dodecagon has sides 12. interior angle of n-sided regular polygon angle is given by n minus 2 pi by n. So angle will be equal to 10 pi by 12, 5 pi by 6. Cosine of 5 pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Option A is the correct option. Very simple. Now question number 9. Determine the smallest positive value of x for which 10x plus 100 is equal to 10x plus 50, 10x, 10x minus 50. Very nice question. Now see, 10x plus 100, from RHS side take 10x to LHS side upon 10x will be equal to 10x plus 50, 10x minus, not, it is in product, 10x minus 50. Change it to sin cos, so it will become sin x plus 100 cos x upon cos x plus 100 sin x is equal to sin x plus 50 sin x minus 50 upon cos x plus 50 cos x minus 50. Multiply, divide by 2 both the side. 2 sin a cos b, we know the identity, it will become sin a plus b, 2x plus 100 plus sin a minus b, sin 100 upon sin 2x plus 100 minus sin 100 is equal to 2 sin a sin b, cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. So it will become cos of 100 minus cos of 2x upon cos of 100 plus cos of 2x. Apply componendo dividendo. On applying componendo dividendo, we get sin 2x plus 100 upon sin 100 will be equal to minus cos 100 upon cos 2x. Again cross multiply it, so it will become sin 2x plus 100 cos of 2x is equal to minus sin 100 cos 100. Multiply 2 both the side, 2 sin a cos b again, so it will become sin 4x plus 100 plus sin 100 is equal to 2 sin x cos x, sin 2x minus sin 200. Take sin 100 to the other side, it will become sin 4x plus 100 is equal to minus sin of 200 plus sine of 100. Solve it. So it will become minus 2 sine 150 cos 50. Sine 150 is half, so it will become sine 4x plus 100 is equal to minus cos 50. Minus cos 50 can be written as sine 270 minus 50. From here we get 4x plus 100 is equal to 270 minus 50. From here we get x is equal to 30 degree. Option D is the. Hope this clears your doubt in this question. Now, question number 10. Find the value of 10 pi by 11 plus 10 2 pi by 11 plus 10 4 pi by 11 plus 10 7 pi by 11 plus 10 9 pi by 11 plus 10 10 pi by 11. We know that 10 pi minus theta is minus tan theta. So 10 7 pi by 11 can be written as 10 pi minus 4 pi by 11, which is equal to minus 10 4 pi by 11. 10 9 pi by 11 will be equal to minus 9 pi by 11 will be equal to minus 10 2 pi by 11, and 10 pi by 11 will be equal to minus 10 pi by 11. So this and this becomes 0, this and this becomes 0, this and this becomes 0. So option B is the correct option. Okay, now next question number 11. Find the distance between orthocenter and circumcenter in the triangle with sides 105, 208, 233. If we see these three sides of the triangle, these are forming Pythagoras triplets. (208) square plus 105 square is equal to 233 square. This will be a right angle triangle with side 105, 208 and 233. In right angle triangle, the orthocenter is at the perpendicular, that is, let's say this is A, B, C. Orthocenter is at point A, and circumcenter is the midpoint of hypotenuse, that is point here. Midpoint, let's say this point is P. Circumcenter is point P. Now we have to find the distance between orthocenter and the circumcenter. In right triangle, as P is the circumcenter, AP will be equal to radius. AP is equal to radius. Radius is equal to CP, which is equal to BP, which is equal to half of BC. So distance will be half of BC, 233 by 2. Answer. Option C is the correct option. Okay, now next question number 12. Find the value of cot 16 cot 44 plus cot 44 cot 76 minus cot 76 cot 16. Cot 16 plus 44 will be cot of 16 cot of 44 minus 1 upon cot 16 plus cot 44. 16 plus 44 is 60. So from this we get cot 16 cot 44 is equal to 1 by root 3 cot 16 plus cot 44 plus 1. This is equation 1. Similarly, cot 44 cot 76 will get 76 plus 44 is 120. Cot 120 is minus 1 by root 3 cot 44 plus cot 76 plus 1. Equation number 2. Now for third one, cot of 76 minus 16 will be equal to cot 16 cot 76 plus 1 upon cot 16 minus cot 76. 76 minus 16 is root 3. So from here cot 16 cot 76 is equal to 1 by root 3 cot of 16 minus cot of 76 minus 1. This is equation number 3. To get the required answer, we will add equation 1 and 2 and subtract the equation 3. So it will become cot 16 cot 44 plus cot 44 cot 76 minus cot 16 cot 76. So this will give us 3 answer. From option D, option is the correct option. Hope this clears your doubt. Now the next question number 13. Which of the following is negative? Let us see the option A. Option A is log number 2 base 7. 2 is greater than 1, 7 is greater than 1. Both number and base are on the same side of 1. Therefore, this will be positive. Log sin 89, sin 91. Sin is always less than equal to 1. Sin 89 is less than 1, sin 91 is less than 1. Therefore, both number and base are on same side of 1. So, this will also be a positive number. Positive. C option, log 1 by 9, 2 minus root 3. 1 by 9 is less than 1, 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 is also less than 1. Therefore, both number and base are on same side of 1. So, this is also a positive number. Last, D option, log 1 by e pi. 1 by e is less than 1, pi is greater than 1. The number and base lies on different side of 1. Therefore, this will be a negative. So D option is the correct option. Okay, now next question. Question number 14. Find the value of under root log 3 base 2, log 12 base 2, log 48 base 2, log 192 base 2 plus 16 minus log 12 base 2, log 48 base 2 plus 10. First, put log 3 base 2 is equal to x. Log 12 base 2 will be equal to log 2 square into 3 will be equal to 2 plus x. Log 2 48 will be equal to log 2 to the power 4 into 3, 4 plus x. Log 2 192 will be equal to log 2 to the power 6 into 3, 6 plus x. So the expression given in the under root is x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 plus 16. Now x into x plus 6, so it will become x square plus 6x. X plus 2 into x plus 4, it will become x square plus 6x plus 8 plus 16. Let x square plus 6x be some t. So it is t plus 8 plus 16 is equal to t square plus 8t plus 16, which is t plus 4 whole square. So this under root value comes out to be, our expression will be t plus 4 minus log 2 12 log 2 48 plus 10. T is equal to x square plus 6x plus 4. Log 212 can be written as x plus 2. Log 248 can be written as x plus 4 plus 10. So this will be x square plus 6x plus 4 minus x square plus 6x plus 8 plus 10. So this becomes 4 minus 8 plus 10, which is equal to 6. Question number 15, last question of this paper. Let theta belongs to real and summation k is equal to 2 to infinity is sine 2k theta is equal to a. Then find the value of summation k is equal to 0 to infinity cot q 2k theta minus cot 2k theta sine 4 2k theta. Put 2k theta is equal to alpha for some time. Second one is cot cube alpha minus cot alpha into sin 4 alpha. This is given. If we simplify it, turn it to sin cos cube alpha upon sin cube alpha minus cos alpha upon sin alpha into sin 4 alpha. Take LCM and multiply, so it will become sin alpha cos cube alpha minus sin cube alpha cos alpha. Take sin alpha cos alpha common, sin alpha cos alpha, cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Now double angle formula will be used. This will be 1 by 2 sin 2 alpha, and cos square minus sin square will be cos 2 alpha, which is equal to 1 by 4 sin 4 alpha. Now put again the value of alpha, it will become 1 by 4 sin 2 to the power k plus 2 theta. Summation of 1 by 4 is taken out. Summation of sin 2 to the power 2 plus k theta, k is 0 to infinity, can be written as 1 by 4 summation k is equal to 2 to infinity sin 2k theta, and this is given in the question. K is equal to 2 to infinity sin 2k theta is A, so our answer will be A by 4. Option C is the correct option. Hope all the solution clears all your doubt. Okay, thank you.